Hi everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 43. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. Pursuant to the aforesaid order, the respondent has filed additional counter affidavit in which he has emphasized desirability of remanding the matter back to the discipline authority for redetermination of the matter. He has emphasized the failure to supply the inquiry report to the delinquent deprives he of making a proper representation to disciplinary authority before that authority arrives at its own findings with regard to the guilty otherwise of an employee. This admittedly not having been done clearly, the respondent was prejudiced in submitting his defense. Even if this court concludes not to remand the matter back to the disciplinary authority, at least it has to be remanded back to the High Court. He has stated that a number of points were raised before the High Court which have not been considered on merits, as the High Court decided the writ petition only on the ground of no furnishing of the inquiry report. Since the inquiry officer and the disciplinary authority had concluded that some of the charges has been partially proved and other completely proved, it was necessary to supply the finding of the inquiry reports. Only on knowing the reason of the inquiry officer could the respondent give effective explanation. It is further pointed out that with regard to the charges relating to Maharaj Ganj, the entire amount has to be recovered. This fact is noticed by the disciplinary authority, but quite illegally it still proceeded to impose punishment on the ground of proved misconduct. Since the disciplinary authority arrived at the decision on the basis of charge which were partially completed, proved it was not possible to defend during personal hearings. According to the respondent, that was stated by him at the personal hearing, but it was ignored fact the disciplinary authority was adamant to punish the respondent. All these issues could have been highlighted if the High Court had decided the writ petition on merits. Therefore, matter need to be remanded back to the High Court for a decision on merit all the issue raised by the respondent. In our opinion, the aforesaid grievances of the respondent are without any factual basis. Therefore, petitioner has placed on the record of this court the translated quote of the charge sheet reply of the respondent to the charge sheet. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.